Miten se olisi?
Now, where is that guy?
Gentlemen, sorry to keep you waiting.
Were you followed?
Doesn't seem like it, no. Shall we get to the highly illegal activities before tea time, or are we waiting to get hungry?
Do you have the money?
But of course,
Show it.
the merchandise first.
No.
My apologies for the assumption, but by the woolly hats you decided to wear on this beautiful summer day, I'm going to guess the merchandise isn't exactly lawfully acquired. Which means you are probably in a hurry to part with it. I'm willing to help you with that, but if you think you can find someone else...
Alright. Wait. Hold your horses. You win.
Oh my. That wouldn't belong to the crown jewels by any chance.
The money.
Oh, of course. Hands up. Pleasure doing business with you guys. Now, if you... As I was saying, if you wouldn't mind standing still for a few minutes, don't really feel for the fisticuffs at the moment. Carl. One of these days, I'm going to need a wrist replacement.
Some folks are born made to wave the flag. Ooh, they're
Captain Whitebrooke, welcome.
Afternoon, Admiral Courtney. I like what you've done with the place.
The headquarters are under renovation until further notice, so my humble abode will have to do.
It does so, in flying colors, sir.
I must say, it was your recovery of the royal diamonds that granted us some extra budget. A great deal of thanks would be in order, but I'm afraid we've got some more pressing matters to discuss.
How do I suddenly feel like I've been here before?
Say, have you been to Vietnam before?
Judging by how the Yanks are dealing with that situation, I think I'm too old for Vietnam.
Funny you'd say that. The Americans have digged themselves into one hell of a mess in more ways than one. CIA agents, Glenn Wislavsky and Adrian Brooks.
Talk about shell-shocked.
Deranged types, these two. But I suppose you have to be to run the kind of business these two do in the worst hellhole on Earth at the moment. For the past year, Agents Brooks and Wislavsky have been in charge of the agency's most classified operation in the region. Operation Sledgehammer.
Operation Sledgehammer? I've heard of it, but quite frankly, I thought it had more to do with World War II.
The one didn't go as planned, so they recycled the name. Quite fitting, I might add. Operation Sledgehammer is a counterintelligence plan designed to find each and every Viet Cong hideout and hammer them down with airstrikes. Needless to say, these two have the highest classifications possible. At least had.
Let me guess. They're not where they're supposed to be.
Far from it. They have disappeared. In fact, we have reason to believe they were kidnapped by the Viet Cong. The plans to the operation stolen with it.
Can we be sure that these two didn't just completely lose it and go their own way?
Doubtful. The Americans have already searched for the duo on 3 different occasions from the vicinity of a well-tucked hideout, resulting in the death of 27 American soldiers. Last night I got a call from my American counterpart begging me for a big favor. Understandably, he is worried of the plans to Operation Sledgehammer slipping to their enemies. He's heard I employ a certain specialist in my ranks.
And here I thought my war-fighting days were done for.
Trust me, we'll send you in the country as quietly as possible. You'll have a CIA agent escort you to the site where Mr. Brooks and Mr. Wislavsky are believed to be held. Getting them out is up to you. If everything goes to plan, you'll be in and out without a trace. But as you've said, it rarely works out that way. Which is precisely why we're sending you, Captain Whitebrooke. Your mission is to find the missing agents, secure the plans to Operation Sledgehammer, and take out as much of the opposition as possible.
It's an odd honor being the #1 draft pick in the Killing War Championship, sir.
George.
Sir?
Beware. I can't shake the feeling there's something we're not seeing.
I agree, sir.
Captain Whitebrooke. Nelson Harlow, CIA.
Pleasure.
Pleasure. Let's have a cup of tea, mate, in it. Amazing. You don't really run into too many breeds in these jungles.
Couldn't let you have all the fun.
Right. To be honest with you, Cap, third wheel with Brooks and Wislavsky ain't all that fun.
How's that?
Well, let's just say they ain't all up right there, you know? They've been through too much. To be straight with you, I wouldn't be surprised if we found them shivering and hollering in a pothole somewhere around these parts. Anyway, word is they're kept in some sort of bunker by the Viet Cong, about 4 miles from here. So we better get going.
Good thing I've got my walking boots on.
Watch out for them cobras and man-sized cockroaches.
Oh, excellent.
Up there, Cap.
They're building some sort of trap.
2 grenades tied to opposite ends of a wire. Step on it. Well, I'm gonna tell you it's less embarrassing than having a toilet paper around your ankle, but a whole lot more painful.
I'm certain. Is there a way around?
I mean, we could cross around the left, but I'm pretty sure it's poopy trap as well, and thick. It would be tomorrow before we'd be anywhere near the compound.
I see. Then we'll just have to go through.
They told me you were a ninja, but I wasn't expecting to see any sort of voodoo.
Wait till you see me at the golf course.
It must be a spectacle. Come on, let's go.
Wait. These chaps ain't Viet Cong.
What do you mean they're... Oh shit! You're right. But they're not American either. Who the hell are they with?
I don't know. There seems to be a third wheel in everything these days. And I don't like it. Let's go. Hello. Do you hear that?
Hear what?
Silence.
Oh. I've heard it before.
There! Behind you, Hollow! Oh. Let's see, you've got it all handled.
Yeah.
Bloody hell. Let me see that. It's just grazed you, but out here it's just going to get infected. You should head back.
You're sure?
Well, judging by the warm welcome, we're pretty close. So I think I'll find my own way in.
Right.
Thanks for your help so far. See you on the other side.
Good luck, Captain.
Brooks!
Do we know each other? Are we friends?
The name's Whitebrooke. Captain Whitebrooke of the MI6. I'm going to get you out of here, Agent Brooks. But what happened to Agent Wisławski?
Oh, he died.
Oh, I can see that. But how? Where are your kidnappers?
Dead! They're all dead! Wake up! Hello! Ah, there you are. Finally, you're awake. Captain George Whitebrooke of the MI6, re-alive in the flesh. I thought you was a goner, but here you are, still standing. You are a fighter, you are. Yes.
I take it you killed Wisławski.
Yep, and I had a few other soldier boys killed too. Oops. Well, make good money with that though.
And the kidnapping? All a ruse?
Oh, no. No, that did actually happen. I did get kidnapped, but the most funny thing happened. The most fun thing happened. That's it. Well, now, basically, I just sell what I know, and I just cause trouble for my former, but can I just say, like the most annoying brothers in arms. Now I just cause trouble for them, and now I just play cards with these new friends of mine.
Ah, kidnapped and lost it. See, that was never given as an option to me.
Yeah, I know, right? Well, hate to break it to you, but here, the law of the jungle applies. The book of survival. I learned it from the best, but I won't dwell on that. It's kind of annoying because I kind of wanted to cook you, but I was made an offer to keep you medium rare instead of well done, so... Well, what can you do?
An offer? For me?
Yes! There's a price on your head, pal.
Well, that went without saying, but who's paying?
A good friend. With the most generous sum. And not only I was willing to sell them the plans to Operation Sledgehammer, but also they offered me all their manpower to guard my awesome little spy enterprise. And I also am a proud owner of a boat in Bangkok. Do you have a boat? I have a boat.
Well, since I am the main course, I may just as well know when to look pretty for the guest of honor.
Anytime now. Anytime. As in, now. Well, let's go now. Ta-ta. Welcome. Welcome to my humble abode. But before we get down to business, may I see the money? Oh, green, so much green. Though, you kind of get used to it here in the jungle. But still, green! Yes, of course. This way. Like a roller coaster. You're not ruining this for me! This is so much fun! how Wisłowski died. Though he didn't put up as much of a fight, but I guess you'll taste better too. Never eaten a brick before. Any recommendations on seasoning? Balsamic vinegar, perhaps? Oh, fuck!
Bloody Yanks. That's a first. I'm getting older. Slower.
Well, judging by the fact it sounded like World War III in that jungle, and you're standing here, you're just getting better. How did it go?
Your agents, they didn't make it. My condolences.
Yeah, I guessed as much, but I appreciate it. My bosses will be quite pleased. Can keep on fighting the fight. Don't know if it's a good one, but what can you do? I know that look. This place does that to you. Ready to go home?
Soon. But now if you'll excuse me, I'm going for a walk.
But you've been walking enough for a bit, Captain.
Not with my walking boots, I haven't.